Welcome to Facts 360. If you're fascinated by military technology and want to stay updated on the latest innovations, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. Today we're diving into the MQ-9B Sky Guardian, an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. This remarkable UAV is an evolution of the MQ-9 Reaper, specifically designed for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. Making its first flight in 2016, the MQ-9B has become a vital asset for the United States Air Force, while also being available for international customers looking to bolster their military capabilities. Let's take a closer look at the key specifications of the MQ-9B Sky Guardian. Wingspan 79 feet or 24 meters. Length 36 feet or 11 meters. Height 12.5 feet or 3.8 meters. Maximum takeoff weight 28,000 pounds, approximately 12,700 kilograms. Payload capacity up to 3,800 pounds or 1,700 kilograms. Endurance an impressive over 40 hours in the air. Cruise speed, approximately 200 knots, which is 230 mph or 370 kmh. Service ceiling, 50,000 feet or 15,240 meters. What makes the MQ-9B truly stand out are its advanced capabilities. It's outfitted with multi-spectral sensors for ISR, including synthetic aperture radar, and electro-optical/infrared cameras, allowing for unparalleled surveillance in various conditions. The UAV utilizes cutting-edge communication systems for real-time data transmission and control, ensuring operators have the most current information available. When it comes to armament, the MQ-9B can carry a variety of munitions, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, making it a formidable force in the sky. And with its advanced autonomous flight capabilities, the MQ-9B can execute pre-programmed missions and make real-time adjustments as situations evolve. The MQ-9B has attracted significant interest from several countries worldwide, including the UK, France, and India. Its strategic partnerships with NATO allies enhance ISR capabilities for all parties involved. In the competitive landscape of UAVs, the MQ-9B is regarded as one of the leading systems, standing toe-to-toe with platforms like the Northrop Grumman MQ-4C Triton and the Boeing In-Situ RQ-21 Blackjack. In conclusion, the MQ-9B Sky Guardian represents a significant leap in UAV technology, offering enhanced capabilities for modern warfare and intelligence operations. Its versatility makes it an invaluable asset for the United States and its allies in the ever-evolving global defense landscape. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Facts 360, and hit that notification bell for more insights into military technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.